नमस्ते सभी को स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और आज आप लोगों के साथ बात करेंगे गोल्ड सिल्वर एज टुडे और लाइव्स। आप लोगों ने देखा गोल्ड सिल्वर प्राइस फॉल, रॉबर्ट कियोसाकी सी सिल्वर प्राइस एट $200 per OG in 2026. Gold silver edge today live. Gold and silver price fell as safe haven remained assets after US President Donald Trump said a framework of a future deal over Greenland had been agreed and withdrew a threat to impose tariff on European nations. Gold silver rates today. Live gold and silver price in the international market retreated from a record high on Thursday on sign of cooling geopolitical tensions over Greenland, which boosted the US dollar. Gold price fell as much as 1% after 3 days of gain that had taken it to an all-time high above $4,888 and was in the previous session. Spot gold price declined 0.8% to $4,799.79 per ounce after scaling a record peak of $4,887.82 in the previous session. US gold featured for the February delivery lost 0.6% to 4,806.60 per ounce. Spot silver price fell 0.9% to $92.38 once after hitting a record high of $95.87 on Tuesday. The weakness in gold and silver price today came as safe haven remained eased after US President Donald Trump said the framework of a future deal over Greenland had been agreed with the threat to impose tariff on European nations. Trump backed down from new tariff threats and proposal to annex Greenland by force, while a firmer dollar also pressured bullion price. Makes gold silver price. Makes gold price opened lower at 1,51,557 per 10 grams is against its price close of 1,52,862 level. Gold price were trading lower by 638 or 0.42% at 1,52,224 per 10 grams level. Make silver price open higher at 3,19,843 per kg as against its previous close of 3,18,492 level. Silver at trends higher by 1,180 per 0.37% at 3,90,672 per kg after hitting a high of 3,25,602 level in the previous session. Mixed silver price touched a fresh lifetime high of 3,35,521 level.